the dawn of Texas skies, robes of saffron start to rise, walking softly mile by mile, carrying peace in every smile. Wind is whispering on the road, spread your love across the world. Silent prayers in every stride, hope becomes their gentle guide. Step by step we carry peace, let the suffering slowly cease. Hearts awaken, fears release, together we walk for peace. Step by step in harmony, boundless love for all to see. Let compassion never cease, together we walk for peace. Through the towns and open plains, under sun and under rain, every step a sacred vow, healing lives in here and now. Faithful Oka by their side, guardian of this holy stride. Love that moves like gentle streams, turning miles into noble dreams. Step by step we carry peace, we carry step slowly cease. Hearts awaken, fears release, together we walk for peace. Step by step in harmony, in boundless love for all to see. Let compassion never cease, together we walk for peace. No borders, no walls, no limits at all, only kindness calling home. Hand in hand we rise under open skies, lifting hearts wherever we roam. Step by step we carry peace, let division slowly cease. From Fort Worth to DC streets, together we walk for peace. Step by step, humanity, walking loving unity. May the world find clarity, together we walk for peace. May all beings live in ease, may all hearts be stilled and freed. May this journey